Hello, welcome back to Golden News. Day after U.S. drone goes down into the Black Sea, defense ministers and military chiefs from U.S. and Russia hold rare telephone conversations with ties at their lowest point in decades over Moscow's offensive in Ukraine, now in its 386th day. Russian forces have reached the site where a U.S. Reaper drone crashed after colliding with a Russian fighter jet, U.S. media reported, citing American officials. The Russians have reached the MQ-9 crash site in the Black Sea, two U.S. officials told CNN. The news network added, however, that it is unclear if they were able to recover the U.S. drone. Earlier, White House National Security Council spokesperson John Kirby said in an interview with CNN that it might be impossible to recover the remains of the drone. The United States uses MQ-9 Reapers for both surveillance and strikes and has long operated them over the Black Sea to keep an eye on Russian naval forces.